So we are solving question based on JK flip-flop. So in this we have to find the counting states Q1, Q2 for this counter which is shown. So both J and K are shorted and they are connected to Q2 bar. Q1 bar is connected to J2 and K2 is always connected to 1. So the states are 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 and so on. Now first we should know the table of JK flip-flop and output. So if both J and K are 0 then output has no change. If J is 0, K is 1 then output is 0. If J is 1, K is 0 then output is 1, and if J is 1 and K is 1 then output is toggle. Means if previous output was 0 the next output will be 1, and if previous output was 1 the next output will be 0. So this is the meaning of toggle. So this is the JK flip-flop. Now we will see. So let us assume that the first state is 0 0. So the first present state is 0 0. Means presently Q1 and Q2 are both 0 0. So next state Q1 and Q2 will be what? We have to determine this. So Q1 is also 0. We have take Q1 as 0 and Q2 as 0. So this is the present state. So if Q1 is 0, Q1 bar will obviously be 1 and Q2 bar will also be 1. So if Q1 bar is 1 and J2 is, so it is transferred to J2. So both J2 and K2 are 1. So when both J2 and K2 are 1 then output will be toggle. So Q2 here was 0. So next Q2 will be 1. And Q2 bar was 1. So again this one is connected to J1 and K1. So both J1 and K1 are now 1. So Q1, so when both are 1, then output will be toggle. So Q1 will also toggle. So Q1 was 0. So again in the next state Q1 will be 1. So this is how we determine the next state. So again you can see when first, so present state is 0 0. So Q1 is 0 and Q2 is 0. So Q1 bar will be 1 and Q2 bar will be 1. So J2 is connected to Q1 and K2 is always connected to 1. So next state will be toggle. So Q2 will toggle from 0 to 1. And Q2 bar was 1. So both J1 and K1 are 1. So when both J1 and K1 are 1 then again Q1 will toggle. So Q1 will toggle from 0 to 1. Okay, so now after 0 0 next state is 1 1. So option A can be correct because after 0 0 it is 1 1, but here after 0 0 it is 0 1. So option B cannot be correct. And option C is 0 0 1 1. So it is correct. In option D after 0 0 it is 0 1. So option D will also be not correct. So B and D are not correct. B and D are not correct. So now we will assume the state as 1 1. So Q1 is 1, Q2 is 1. So Q2 bar will be 0. So here it is 0 0. And Q1 bar will also be 0. So it is 0. So 0. So if Q1 bar is 0, so J2 is 0, K2 is 1. So when J2 is 0, K2 is 1, then output will be 0. So Q2 will be 0. And J1 and K1 are both 0 0. So when both J1 and K1 are 0, then output is no change. So Q1 was 1, so Q1 will remain as 1. So 1 0. So after 1 1 the next state will be 1 0. So after 1 1 the next state will be 1 0. But in option C after 1 1 the next state is 0 1. So option C is also not correct. So the correct option is option A. So in this way we can easily check. Now we can also check for 1 0. So we can also check for 1 0. So K2 is always connected to 1. This is given in the question. So Q1 is 1 and Q1 bar will obviously be 0 and Q2 is 0. So Q2 bar will obviously be 1. So this is 1 1. So Q1 bar is 0. So J2 is 0. So 0 and 1. So when J2 is 0, K2 is 1, then output is 0. So output is 0. And when both J1 and K1 are 1, when both J1 and K1 are 1, then output will toggle. So Q1 will change from 1 to 0. So 0 0 will change from 1 to 0. So after 1 0 the next state will be 0 0. So 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0. So this is the correct option. So in this way we can easily check for the various states. So this was a very easy question in which K2 was always connected to 1, and we just have to check for Q1 present state and Q1 present state and next state, and similarly for Q2 also based on JK flip flop. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you and best of luck.